Hello Vanya. In today's class we are revising pronouns. So pronouns, what are pronouns? You know that. The words that are used in place of noun, that is called a pronoun. And now pronouns are of different types. So there are 6 types of pronouns. We have already done 5 types of pronouns. So first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. I, we, she, it, etc. The next type of pronoun, that is possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Which show that what does belong to someone. Mine, ours, hers, his, theirs. These are our possessive pronouns, etc. I have written etc. means many other. The third type of pronouns are those that demonstrate something. We call them demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. These are the pronouns that demonstrate something. So personal pronouns related to the person, they and everything like that. Possessive is what is the belongingness, possession. Demonstrative is that is demonstrating, showing where it is. And one type of pronoun is interrogative pronouns, very simple. Who, what, which, these all are the interrogative that are asking questions. And then in the last class we took reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? When the pronoun becomes the receiver of the action. So it is himself, myself, yourself, yourselves, ourselves, themselves. That means that whatever action they are doing, those actions are falling upon the person. I look myself into the mirror. So I is the pronoun, personal pronoun, and I is doing the action of looking, and I is looking myself. That means the action is falling upon I only. So that is reflexive pronoun that we did in the last class. You may revise that. But today's class is for the new type of pronoun which we have not studied till now. This is called relative pronoun. What is a relative pronoun? Relative means relation. Pronoun that shows us relation, that is called relative pronoun. What is the definition? It relates to a noun. This pronoun relates to a noun, and this noun is always before the relative pronoun. What is this? Preceding. Preceding means coming before. So a relative pronoun is a pronoun that shows the relation with the noun which is coming just before it. Preceding means before. Them means pronouns. Now I think you will be more comfortable with the example and you will understand that what is a relative pronoun. I know the boy who is coming. So who is the relative pronoun? What who is doing? Who is telling the relation with this noun, which is coming before it, preceding it. This is relative pronoun. The next example, bring me the letter which the postman left. So which is the relative pronoun? And this pronoun is relating to the noun that is coming before it, the letter. Letter is a name of a thing, so it is a noun. and this relation is showed by the relative pronoun which. So, whenever the sentences are there, find out the relative pronouns. Then you will write these are the relative pronouns. But at the same time, they are going to ask you to which noun is it related. So, you have to tell the noun which is preceding these pronouns. The house that Mr. Bagga built is on sale. So, it is like the house that Mr. Bagga built. That is the relative pronoun. And to which noun is it related? The noun that is preceding it. And which is that noun? The house coming before it. Now, I would like to tell one difficult word to you, and it is preceding noun is called antecedent. So, there will be an exercise which will ask you, tell us, find out the relative pronoun in this sentence. So, it is easy for you. You will tell who is the relative pronoun. The next question will be, what is the antecedent of in this sentence? Antecedent means the noun which is coming before this pronoun. So, you will say the boy. The boy is the antecedent. Got it? Bring me the letter which the postman left. So, you will say, yes, I know which is relative pronoun. And which is the noun preceding it? You will say the letter. But if I ask you what is the antecedent in this, then you don't get confused. You know that antecedent is also letter. So, instead of writing noun preceding them, we write one word, antecedent. So, antecedent means this. The house that Mr. Bagga built is on sale. So, that is the relative pronoun. And what is the house? House is antecedent. Now, there is one more doubt. How we are going to differentiate between interrogative pronouns and relative pronouns? Who is also relative pronoun? Who is interrogative pronoun? Which is also relative pronoun? Which is also interrogative pronoun? So, how we are going to differentiate? I know you are an intelligent girl and you know the answer. Interrogative pronouns always ask questions. Interrogative pronouns always come in the beginning of the sentence, while relative pronouns do not have question marks, and relative pronouns come in the middle of the sentence or in between the sentence. That is the difference. Go through this and then we will do the exercises in this in today's week's class. Fine. This week's class we will do exercises. Fine, listen to it. I do hope you have understood. Otherwise, we are going to discuss in the class itself. Bye.